is Shanshan from Century 21. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your sign in the frozen ground. As you can see, mine is kind of tilted. So I'm going to redo it. So hopefully to help more people. Alright, so I'm going to use this power tool. And this is the bit I'm using. It's actually a wood drill, about 10 bucks. So this is the kind of bit that you want. Okay, I think it says 1 on it. Just a regular power tool, regular size, you know, nothing fancy. So what you do to put your sign in the frozen ground is you drill a hole first, maybe about 2-3 inches. Make sure that the client doesn't have a sprinkler or wiring anything in the place you want to place a sign. A little bit deeper this time, because obviously the last storm has done something to the sign. Oops. You know what? I'm gonna use both hands. It's safer. Alright, so you drop your sign into the pilot holes like that. I'm gonna use the cardboard to protect the finish. The hammer I use is 4-pound hammer. Sledgehammer. Does it drop beautifully? Hopefully that's helpful for you. And this house is already sold under 2 weeks. So if you have any needs of buying houses, I can help you. If you're not in the Fargo Moorhead area, I definitely have coworkers I can refer you to. So give me a call, Shanshan Saturn, Century 21 FM Realty. Have a wonderful day.